Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your character in Garena Free Fire. Changing your character in Garena Free Fire can help you enjoy different abilities, looks and style in the game. Launch open the Garena Free Fire app on your device first and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main lobby screen, tap on preset at the bottom. Tap on character on the preset page and then select from the different character options on the left hand side menu. You will see all the characters you have unlocked so far. Each character has unique skills and appearance. After choosing the character, click on equip appearance at the bottom right and get back to the lobby. And there you have successfully selected your desired character. Now you are ready to jump into the battlefield with your new character. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.